How's it going, guys? I'm back again, and today I want to run a stress test of this bot on the Forex market. For this session, I'll be using a 3-minute expiry time, and honestly, I think that's the sweet spot for trading this market. 1 minute, in my experience, just isn't enough. That's why I'm showing you what I believe are the most effective setups so you can earn without wasting a lot of your personal time. So hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and let's kick off this trading session. Before we jump into trading, let's get the indicators set up. Head over to the Indicators tab. Today, I'll be using ADX and the Stochastic oscillator. For ADX, I'll go into the Style section and remove the extra line, so I'm left with just the moving average crossovers. That way, they'll help confirm my entry points. As for Stochastic, I'll keep it on the standard settings. No changes needed there. With that done, everything's ready. Let's move on to trading and pick a currency pair. Let's focus on the Euro-British pound pair. I pull it up in the bot, set the expiration time to 3 minutes, wait a bit, and it gives me a buy signal. I'm entering the market. The setup looks interesting. The overall trend is bullish, and we're also seeing higher lows forming. The ADX shows a crossover to the downside, which looks a bit contradictory, but the Stochastic isn't yet in the overbought zone. That means price still has room to climb higher. So I think this trade has a good chance of playing out well. Let's see how it closes. I can see the setup is still holding, but the expiration time might not be enough. Not the best entry point, so I'm opening my first recovery trade at $1,000. After this small consolidation, I still believe the bullish momentum will continue. I'm confident in this position, so now let's wait and see how it actually plays out. One minute of your time, friends. Right now, I want to show you the statistics from my trading profile on the Pocket Option platform. Over the past 7 days, I've made more than $50,000 in profit. You can also see the stats for yesterday and today, and I share all of these results in my Telegram channel. But I don't just share my results. I give you the chance to join me. You can become part of my team, copy my trades, learn how trading works, and start earning alongside me. Even if you have zero experience, you can start with social trading right on the platform. It takes just 2 clicks and my trades will be copied to your account automatically. Join my Telegram channel. The link is in the video description. Subscribe and send me a message asking to join the team. I don't have a manager. I personally reply to everyone. And if you're truly interested in growing in this field, I'll help you every step of the way. Wishing you success and the drive to reach your goals. And now, let's get back to the video. Turns out I was right. This trade played out perfectly. The first entry just didn't have enough expiration time, but that's fine. Timing is always a big factor in trading. Either way, I locked in the profit, and that's what matters. Great result. Let's keep going and look for the next setup. All right, let's keep it rolling. I'm switching over to the Euro-Australian dollar pair to see what kind of entry we get here. The bot is giving me a sell signal, and since the overall trend is bearish, I'm jumping in. ADX looks fine, though the Stochastic is sitting in oversold territory. That's the only thing that makes this setup a bit tricky. Still, I'll give it a shot. Expiration time is set to 3 minutes. Let's see where the price takes us. Looks like we've got a repeat of the last setup. Pretty interesting. Most likely, I'm going to step in again with a $1,000 hedge since the overall picture hasn't really changed. Now the stochastic has shifted into overbought territory, which lines up perfectly with my trade. On top of that, ADX is confirming seller dominance. Let's see how this one plays out when it closes. Just like I said, the setup turned out exactly like the previous trade, and once again, I'm locking in a solid result. Pretty surprising, honestly, and really interesting to watch. I'm hoping I don't run into this exact same pattern too often going forward because it usually signals something about the market phase we're in. Either way, that's fine. Let's move on and work through a few more setups. All right, guys, let's keep it going. This time I'm looking at the Euro Australian dollar. I've set the bot to a 3-minute expiration and it's giving me a buy signal. Pretty interesting setup. I can see that the lows aren't updating, but at the same time, there's a horizontal resistance level up top. Even so, the stochastic is sitting right in the middle of its price range and ADX looks solid as well. Let's see how this trade plays out once the timer runs out. The trade closes in profit, an excellent result. I'd say this stress test went pretty well. The only thing I noticed is that I still need to tweak either the expiration time or the exact entry points. That's definitely something to test again in another session, since so much depends on the current market phase. That's all for today. Drop a like, hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.